Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat we called not find matching account or password on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here and we will go down to looking for the Snapchat app here and this is window. We just go down to found Snapchat and we will click here on Snapchat, then we come to this is window here like we say. We'll click here on for stop and we will click here on OK and you just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and you will click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store and update your Snapchat account and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.